Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Neon palettes because it is summertime and it's time for some BAM looks because I've been doing some BAM looks lately. Side note, I know it looks a lot similar to my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker review. I didn't mean for that to happen. I actually planned to do the opposite, but for some reason I couldn't figure out a better way to create a look from both of these palettes. And I just decided to do this look. So if you guys want to see still how I created the look and how things went on and applied, just continue watching and enjoy. Alrighty, I am going to dive into both of these palettes, which are freaking beautiful. This is the green one, just stunning. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want to try something different because I feel like, yes, I'm gonna go for a BAM look, but I can't copy my other eye looks that I've been doing. So I'm going to be priming my lids with the Anastasia eyelid primer. Can't forget I don't need much of this stuff because it was a lot when I used it last. Okay, eyelids are primed. Now I don't know what I want to do, because there's so many colors I want to use in this palette, but also that bright. Do these both have green? Okay, this one, I want to use this. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna grab a kind of thin fluffy brush and I'm gonna dip into that lime green shade and I'm gonna put that in my crease just to see how it goes on. I'm supposed to go to work today, so hopefully this look that I'm doing isn't too crazy. It is really pretty and blending out nicely. I do feel like it could be a little bit more pigmented. Okay, now what do I want to do? I don't know, but this mustard shade in this palette is calling my name, as usual. I'm gonna take a fluffy Morphe brush and dip into that. And I'm gonna put this kind of, whoa, right there, kind of meshing those together in a way, I guess. This yellow mustard shade is actually really pigmented. I honestly kind of want to grab this purple pink shade. I don't know, it's like a neon purple, it's really pretty. And I want to put that on my outer corners. I just cleaned all my makeup brushes yesterday and now they're gonna get filthy again. It kind of washes away though. Okay, low-key, this is kind of looking like my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette review. Sorry about it. I'll try to put something different in the lid. Obviously, I'm not gonna put a gold. I might put that lime green shade that's in the orange palette, this one. I'm either gonna take, are these the same shades? Those two, hold on, let me show you. Those two lime green shimmer shades, this one and this one, I don't know if they're the same or I don't know. I'm gonna see which one swatches better. So this is from the green palette and this is from the orange one. I guess I'll take the one from the orange one. I don't know what's happening. I'm just gonna see how it goes on. The shimmer shade isn't that pigmented and it's kind of disappointing me. I'm gonna mix both of these. How about that? This is supposed to be a purple and it's coming out pink. I'm gonna grab this corally shade and just kind of that right there, I guess. I wanted to play with a lot of color today, but this is looking way too much like my Jawbreaker palette review, and I'm so sorry about it. I wanted a BAM look, and I'm not getting that. It's pretty, but I'm not getting the look that I want. I'm gonna take this pink on my lower lash line gonna grab this shade that I used. Alright, I'm gonna take this like pinky shade, whatever it is, and it's not that pigmented either. What's happening? I'm gonna grab this bright shade in the middle to pop that on my inner corners. They shouldn't have... I don't know why they even created these shimmers like this, because it's so dry. It's like you just have to use your finger. I mean, there it goes, kind of, but... I feel like I need more, and I don't know what. I'm gonna kind of just go in and intensify everything as usual. I'm actually gonna end up dragging that mustard shade on the lower lash line just a bit. I've been into like the sunset type of look lately. Oh jeez, I don't know. I feel like this eye looks better than this one. I'm gonna throw on some maybe eyeliner and mascara. I'll put mascara on, maybe eyeliner, not sure. Probably not, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. It wouldn't be bad if it didn't look so much like my Jawbreaker palette review, but as you guys can tell, it looks very similar, except the Jawbreaker palette obviously performed way better. And the greens in the palette, the shimmers, these ones, didn't turn out as green and vibrant as I thought they would. I guess it is like a neon yellow green, but like in reality I wanted like a shimmer green in there. Let me show you guys what I mean. Like in my hamburger palette, they have a shimmer green in here like this. That's like what I imagined it. It's called Lettuce. Let me see if it intensifies it a little bit. Just a little. Yeah, that's originally how I wanted it. That is basically it for the review on the neon palettes from Huda Beauty. I threw on a liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star in, what is Bronze Blood? Just to kind of make it look a little bit summery, but this is the eyes. Honestly, I think my favorite shade is obviously the mustard shade. That one was the most like pigmented. The neon purple pink one is pretty vibrant, but it comes off way different on the lid than it does from the pan. But other than that, the palettes were okay. I still need to try the green one a little bit more because the shimmers, I feel like the shimmers aren't that pigmented in like all of the palettes. Like those are the shimmers. They're very light and I don't know what the deal is. Like that's them swatched. They're more of like a glittery sheen, if you will. That's the best way I can describe it. But anyways, that completes this entire review on the neon palettes from Huda Beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if I'm playing with my hair, it's driving me insane. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!